Students, let us recall various parts and understand the complete process of accounting. As is mentioned here, accounting links the decision makers with economic activities and the results of their decisions. Let us understand this link and how decision makers and their decisions are affected by this process. Students, there are certain economic events. In any business, there are transactions which relate to money. There are events which can be translated into financial terms. Those events give rise to accounting process. By accounting process, we understand recording, classifying, summarizing, interpretation and analysis. This is the process of accounting that we have done. Now, once these transactions are put into accounting process, they are recorded, they are classified, they are summarized and their results taken out in terms of profits and loss and their effect on the financial position of the business. The information that is generated through accounting process is then transferred for information and for the use of decision makers, and the decision makers can be both external and internal. Internal decision makers include owners, employees and the management. They are interested in the well-being of the business, the profitability of the business, the return that their business is going to get or their money is going to get, and employees are interested in the bonuses that they will get. And external users like banks, government, creditors, etc., they are interested in the financial position of the business, the strength of the business to withstand economic events and to survive and grow over a long period of time. They are interested whether the businesses which take loan will be able to repay their debts and interest on time. Once decision makers have this information, they are in an ability to make certain decisions related to their investments and related to the businesses. Let's say the management is satisfied with the working of the company and has an idea or gets an idea that it can invest surplus that is generated over the years into new activities. So once the new events come into picture, again the accounting process will start, again that information will be communicated to various users and this process continues.